So what else can we do with the natural language API? We can use it for sentiment analysis. So here I have a movie review of the new Batman movie. Let's see if we can use this natural language API to infer the sentiment of this text. So I will just refactor the command in a previous window. So here it's request one JSON, and we would so here analyze entity sentiment and enter. And we have the sentiment over here. So let's see, what does it say? We have so we have movie, right? So the type is a work of art, right? Where it begins in the text, right? And then we have something like the um, the score and then the magnitude, right? So the 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 score determines whether the service is not the service, whether the entity in the text is positive or a negative. So the score represents how positive or negative the sentiment is, and then the magnitude just represents the weight of the sentiment, right? So the score can be from -1 to 1, and then the magnitude, I think, from 0 to infinity. So here we have a really positive sentiment, right, about the movie. So yeah, this is how you can use the natural language API for sentiment analysis. So just provide your text and then you get a result at the end, which is much faster and easier than training a model from scratch.